Okay, right now we are going to create a user for the database, and we will give all the permission and the privileges to that user so that only that user can access all our database information from outside. So for that, we are going to do, we are going to create user. Now we can give the user, sorry, we can give the username. Just suppose we're going to either in the tutor user at the rate of this percentage means it will be have permission for all of them. Then identified by MySQL PW. Then we will get all the privileges to all of the databases and flash all the privileges to apply the changes. So let's do that. So I'm going to create a user. The username, let's just give it to tire user, to tire user. Make sure that spelling is good correct, otherwise you may have some problem later on. To tire user, then at the rate send. For this, the dollar sign is specified like it can be accessible from any port, like it's like an wildcard, so any port, not only the local host. If you see in the root we specify only for the local host, but here we are specifying from any of the port for external IPs. So after that, what can do, we can just give the same command identified by MySQL PW. Let's just copy this and paste it in here, and I hit enter. Everything is okay. So now I can just flash the privileges, flash privileges. So my changes has been made. So a new user has been created for this database, for which can be accessed from any of the IP address, which is not only for the local host. Now if I exit, then exit. Now we have to restart my MySQL database. For that, if I go in here, see sudo system restart MySQL to make sure that all the changes have been applied. Sudo systemctl restart MySQL. Hit enter, and our database has been restarted and all the changes have been made, applied.